Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make slime. So it's easy to make slime. I just made mine. It's very hard. I don't know why, but I don't know what's hard. I've been playing with a long time, and I think that's why it's very hard. So yeah. So what you need is something where to mix it. I just found this clay because it was my clay when I was a little girl, but now I don't use this clay, so yeah, so I'm just gonna use this. It's this mixing spoon. I'm gonna use this spoon, some Elmer's school glue, and I don't know what to use. If I use Tide or should I use contact lens solution? I don't know, but I think I'm gonna go with Tide because with glue and contact lens solution doesn't work, and I need to put shaving gel, but I'm not gonna use shaving gel. I think I'm just gonna do it with Tide. So yeah, so let me just get some. I needed to grab this. Yeah, I don't know where to put the camera. It's because I don't have a lot of space here. I need to put space. Okay, maybe that's better. So yeah, so let's just move that over there. So here's my plate and here's my stuff. So the first thing that you pour in is some glue. And you can do whatever glue you want, but make sure it works. Look, I do this all the times. I get a glue and I put the activator in, but just a little bit of glue, because sometimes it doesn't work and you gotta put another activator. And if you put a lot of glue, then you're gonna throw it to the trash and you don't want to waste a lot of money with that. So yeah, that's what I do sometimes. But if you want to do it, you can do it. So yeah, I'm just telling you guys. So yeah, so with me it does work because I have tried it a lot of times. So it should work with a lot of glue. Or you can just try my recipe. You can add water if you're gonna do it with Tide or borax. But I have borax, but I don't want to use borax. But because right now I just have Tide and the contact lens solution. And I have 2 bottles of contact lens solution, and I don't want to waste that. And I need more shaving gel or shaving cream. So yeah, so that's why I'm gonna use Tide. Okay. But first, before I add the Tide, I want to add glitter or decorations or something. Right here. I have these. They're gold and blue, I guess. Some pink glitter. I just have a little bit. Some, I don't know what are these. It is right there, I guess. I don't know. I think this is galaxy glitter. Blue glitter, and this glitter, green with, I don't know. So I think I'm gonna add this. Where's my other slime? Oh, it's right there. My other slime is on. Yeah, I'm not gonna add a lot, because then it sticks to your hands. Yeah. I'm gonna mix. No. I'll just put it over there. Okay. Now let's mix. And comment down below what's your favorite color. No, 2 of your favorite colors. My 2 favorite colors are blue and yellow. I don't know why. My but my first favorite color is blue. So yeah. Now let's add the tide. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I just needed to say something. I don't know if I want to add it here or over here. I don't know where. I think I'm just gonna add it like that. I'm not gonna put it in, but it should add a lot. There. It's working. Oh my god, it's getting harder. As you can see, guys, it's getting. Oh my god. But yeah, sometimes it takes a lot of work to see. Okay. I don't like to put in Tide because sometimes it gets sticky with the Tide, glue and Tide, so that's why I don't like to use Tide. But if it doesn't work with Tide, then I add shaving gel and contact lens solution, so that's why. But it does work with me with the Tide. It's like getting thicker. Then I just add it in the blue cup or whatever this is. I don't think it's a cup. I don't know why I called it a cup. My mom is coming. Right? Hey guys. Sorry about that, guys. My mom's gonna shower. Here's my slime. It's coming together, but I don't want to add a lot of Tide because, yeah. This is getting harder and harder and harder. I'm just gonna add a lot. Why not add a lot and then, okay, I add a lot, like a lot. I didn't mean to put that lot. There. But I guess I just clean it up my clothes. Yay, it's coming together. But I don't think it's gonna be stretchy. But I really don't want it stretchy, guys, because yeah. This looks like that's this. This doesn't look like slime. I'm gonna take it off my hands. I need help. Yeah, I should have I should have not done it with my hands. No, please don't tell me this. No. Wait. Yeah, it's getting out. Okay. It's because I don't like it sticky. I hate sticky things. Even the popsicles. But I do like popsicles because they're... Comment down below if you guys like popsicles. I do. And comment down below if you like everything cold or everything hot or both. I guess both. Because in the summer you can like go to the beach or something, or go swimming, or I don't know, or go like go to a park or something where you can have fun. Or hot days. And I like the colds because like you can get things hot. So yeah. And comment down below if you are in vacations. Comment down below if you go to school. Comment down below how old are you. And yeah. I don't know what I was gonna ask you guys, but I really don't care to ask you guys. This is sticky. I don't know why I chose to do it with hiding glue. And I was about to do it with the dark glue because I have one, but yeah. Look, I'm gonna show you guys that I can prove it that I have glow in the dark glue. Just get the other slime and just stick it here. Okay, so I'm gonna turn off the lights. Let me just get. I don't know, guys. Wait, guys. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna turn off the lights and I'm gonna show you guys that I have glow in the dark glue. Let me show you. I don't know if you can see that it's glowing in the dark. See, guys? I don't know. It's glowing. I don't know if you can hear my mom's music, but yeah. So that's my glow in the dark. But yes.